Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. Now in this edition, I'll show you how to play USB files on Android TV. All you need to do is to insert the USB, you have it set up, and now you go on to the file app. So you can go to files, you can go to File Explorer, File Manager, use the interface you have on Android TV and just follow the same fundamental steps and it should work perfectly for you. So I've gotten into my file manager and I can find my local memory here. This is the local memory of my device, and at the same time I can find this flash drive right here. So if I click on it, it opens and I have all this media and stuff. So all these are accessible to me. All I need to do is to click on any of these medias and start playing. Now ensure your Android TV is having a player. The default player works just fine. Maybe if you have media that does not work with that particular default player, you could get other players. And when you click on that icon or click on the media file you want to use, you're going to have it begin to play automatically like you see on the screen right here. Now, if you found value in this tutorial, if you understood how to use this, hit that like button to rest with the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with content just like this.